The only limit to this might be your imagination. So everybody should have a pack of cards in an ideal world. It's not because I can sell more packs of cards. That's people say, well, you just want to sell more cards. That's a nice byproduct of it. But the number one reason is I'm interested in how we reduce groupthink and herd mentality. Because I've been in way too many workshops where the alpha male who sits at the back dominates the conversation, or the alpha female dominates the conversation, or the first thing that's said anchors where you float around for a long time. And I'm sure lots of you will be super facilitators, and you can manage and get around that, but a lot of people can't. And I wanted to design this deck so anybody could pick it up and start using it and be able to try to reduce that. You're never going to get rid of it, but you can reduce it by giving everybody a pack of cards, because you have a chance to pick out what's important to you before you get biased by the loudest person in the room or the first thing that was said.